Hello, in this video we are going to look at how to use the SUMIF. We will also look at COUNTIF and AVERAGEIF in MS Excel. From this table you can see we have figures here and the names of people. Each person is receiving a certain amount. They are listed here. And we have a mixture of male and female. And in this other small table, we want to know total amount received by the male and the total amount received by the female. We also want to count the number of male and female. We also want to find the average amount received by male and the average amount received by female. So let me start by using the SUMIF. So we are going to use the SUMIF to calculate the total received by male and total received by female. To do SUMIF, you just put equal sign. Then you write SUMIF, double click SUMIF. It has three parts. So where you see range, you just select all the genders in the list. Then you will put a comma. Since we want for male, we will click M. Then you will put a comma. Then you select the sum range. That is a list of all the figures they receive. Then it knows how to choose only for male. After that, you can close the bracket and press enter. So it means all the male received 10,608. For the female, the same, we will put equal sign SUMIF, double click SUMIF. When you see range, give it the list of all the genders, comma, we are looking for F, so you will click F here, another comma, and give it the figures to sum from. Then you press enter. So we can confirm whether the answer is true by just adding these two. If I double click here and select, the total is 19,380. So let me compare it with this sum here. Double click and press enter. You can see the same amount on both cases. So it is true that the SUMIF is correct. So let us go ahead and do the COUNTIF. So to count the number of male, put equal sign COUNTIF. Double click COUNTIF. You can see it has two parts, range and criteria. For the range, you give it all the genders in the list. Then you put comma. For the criteria, it is M. So you will click M and press enter. And when you count the number of male, it is true, there are 3. 1, 2, 3. Same to female, you will just do equal sign COUNTIF, double click COUNTIF, give it the range, you select all of them, comma. What are you looking for to count? It is F, so I will click F and press enter. It is true, there are 2 female. That is how simple it is to use COUNTIF. Finally, to find the average amount received by male, you just put equal sign AVERAGEIF, double click AVERAGEIF. The first part, range, give it all the genders. Then you put comma, criteria, we are looking for M to average, so I will click M, comma, average range, give it a list of all the numbers to average from. Then you can close with the bracket and press enter. So the average amount is 35.60 for the male. Let me also do for the female, equal sign average if, double click, give it the whole range, comma, gender is F, comma, and give it the average range. So you select all the figures, close the bracket. Let us confirm. So we can use the normal average function to confirm. Let us start with the male, equal sign average, double click average, press down control key. I will click for male, another male, and another male. When I press enter, the same figure, we obtain it here. It is 35.60. For the female, average, double click average, press control, select for the first female, then the second female, press enter. It is the same figure received here. So the average if is correct. That is how simple it is to use SUMIF, COUNTIF, and AVERAGEIF. Go ahead and try this. See you next time. Bye-bye.